Imagine waking up in a city where cars can drive themselves, robots deliver packages, and artificial intelligence is all. And the most interesting part is that this future doesn't always look futuristic. Sometimes it looks like an ordinary morning. Your home can now learn routines, manage simple tasks, and prepare your environment before you even ask. The most powerful AI may not be the technology you notice. It may be the technology you barely notice at all.
But once you step outside, intelligent technology becomes part of something much bigger. Your next ride might not even need a driver.
Instead of watching the road, you could spend that time working, reading, thinking, or simply enjoying the journey. But behind one autonomous car is an entire network of systems processing information in real time.
A modern city doesn't think like a human, but it can process enormous amounts of information in seconds. And when something unexpected happens, that information can help people respond faster.
Technology is becoming less like a separate machine and more like part of the environment around us.
Even something as simple as delivering a package can now be automated.
And in some places, the shortest route isn't a road, it's the sky. Robots are also entering places where humans interact every day.
But automation doesn't always mean replacing people. Sometimes it simply changes what people spend their time doing.
Even payment is becoming almost invisible, fast, digital, and increasingly connected.
But the biggest question about artificial intelligence isn't what happens at lunch. It's what happens at work.
AI can already handle many tasks that once consumed hours of human attention.
But speed doesn't automatically mean accuracy. Human judgment still matters.
The future workplace may not be humans versus AI. It may be humans working with AI.
And nowhere is this transformation more visible than inside modern factories.
Robots are exceptionally good at repetitive work that demands precision and consistency. And newer humanoid machines are being designed to operate in environments originally built for people. But humans still design, maintain, supervise, and improve these machines.
A machine can continue working through the night. A human doesn't have to. And that creates a question nobody can ignore. What happens to jobs when machines become more capable? Some tasks will disappear. Others will change. And completely new roles will emerge. And after work, AI follows us home.
Your appliances can monitor routines and help manage everyday household tasks. Small tasks that once took minutes every day can slowly disappear into automation. What's the plan for tomorrow morning? I've organized your meetings starting at 9, and AI can become a personal assistant available whenever you need information. But the real value isn't the robot itself. It's the time you get back.
Healthcare may be one of the areas where AI can make an even bigger difference.
AI can help doctors analyze complex medical information faster.
But diagnosis isn't the whole store. Patients still need a human being who can listen and explain.
And these tools could be especially valuable far from major medical centers. Education is changing too. Instead of giving every student exactly the same lesson,
AI can adapt practice to individual needs. Because information can be automated, understanding people cannot.
And perhaps one of the most important changes is happening far beyond the city. AI is giving farmers new tools to monitor crops, soil, and weather. Instead of treating every part of a field the same way, intelligent systems can respond to what each area actually needs.
A farmer can then focus attention exactly where it's needed.
And once again, the technology isn't really about the machine. It's about giving humans time back. That may be the most positive side of the AI revolution.
But every technological advantage comes with new questions.
When more of life becomes connected, more information about us can also become digital.
So how much convenience are we willing to exchange for privacy?
And there's another question. What happens when we become too dependent on the systems around us? The answer may not be rejecting technology. It may be learning how to use it responsibly. And this isn't only China's story anymore.
Countries everywhere are moving toward a world where humans and intelligent machines share the same spaces.
But technology should remain a tool, not the center of human life.
AI can generate ideas. Humans decide which ideas are worth creating.
AI can process information at incredible speed. Humans still decide what questions are worth asking.
Maybe the future workplace won't be humans versus robots. Maybe it will be humans doing what humans do best, and machines doing what machines do best. And when all these technologies connect, the real transformation becomes much bigger than any single robot. AI isn't simply changing machines. It's changing how people work, travel, learn, communicate, and spend their time.
Will we use AI simply to work faster or to live better? The future isn't waiting for